Snow is falling, the woods are still, but there's one sound that breaks the chill. It's the bear snoring loud under the trees. Squirrel's trying to hibernate, but this noise just won't obey. Bear, you're louder than a winter breeze. Squirrel wrapped in his little scarf said, Bear, this isn't just a laugh. Your snoring's rocking the forest floor. It's time to fix this once and for all. It's Christmas time, we should be at peace, but your snores won't let us sleep. Silent nights under the tree, Bear, your breathing's worrying me. This Christmas, here's my gift, you see, I got you a CPAP machine. Bear mumbled, I'm fine, don't fuss. It's just a snore, what's all the fuss? I'll sleep it off, this is how it's always been. But Squirrel shook his head, not so fast. If you keep this up, you might not last. Sleep apnea ain't no Christmas win. Your heart's struggling every night. Can't you feel it? Something just ain't right. You're missing out on the joy and cheer. Bear, let's fix this before the new year. It's Christmas time, we should be at peace, but your snores won't let us sleep. Silent nights under the tree, Bear, your breathing's worrying me. This Christmas, here's my gift, you see, I come for a CPAP machine. Bear, think of Christmas Eve so near, and how you'll wake with joyful cheer.